Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. So we are back again with yet another product review, and this time we have got the Seagate 2TB One Touch variant hard disk. So this is a hard disk from the brand of Seagate with the product One Touch, which comes with different features, and the capacity of this hard disk is 2 TB. I have purchased this product from Amazon, guys, and the price of this product is 6,200 rupees, 6,199 to be precise. Now this product, this is not the only thing that I'm getting along with the product. There are 3 more services this product is giving me, rather 4, actually rather 5 more services I get with this product at the same price, guys. So let us quickly go ahead and unbox this product, and let us see what are the things that we are getting inside the product, and is it worth to go for this or not. Okay, normal brand box packaging, guys. MRP mentioned over here is of 11,000 rupees. The key features mentioned over here. Now let us see what are the things that we are getting inside it. Okay, fine, packaging looks good, better than Western Digital. Okay, there is a feature how to use the One Touch feature. So this is a great feature, guys. Let me tell you, you can use this feature to protect your hard disk. If you don't want anyone to have access to your hard disk without your consent, even if they get their hands on it, you can use this One Touch password feature. Now they have the secure code and the reset code given over here, so I don't want to show it to you, so you're getting it over here as well. Now let's see what else are we getting with this. Okay, so let us open it and see what else are we getting over here. Hard disk this is the hard disk, guys. This feels like, let me just have a better look. Okay, so this is the connecting cable, so you can use this cable to go ahead and transfer data from your devices to your hard disk. Keep that aside for you. So here is the hard disk, guys. You have the certifications mentioned, the Seagate branding. There is indicator light here over here on this side as well. Okay, let me get rid of the plastic. Yes, so feels good on the hand, light. The front part has a shining surface, and these other sides are all matte in color. Now this over here is the USB port, guys. This is a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, which is one of the latest ports which is available in the market. Now this product, guys, let me tell you, is compatible with both Windows and Mac. Yes, guys, you heard it right. This product comes out of the box compatible with Mac. You don't need to go ahead and reformat it like other hard disks you had to do it. For this one, you don't need to do it. This is compatible out of the box with Mac. Now this product, guys, comes along with a lot of features. Now along with this Seagate SanDisk, you're getting 6 months of Dropbox subscription absolutely free for existing users and new users. But you will, for people in China, you will not be able to get this offer. Also, guys, My Leo app, you will get 1 year full access to My Leo. Along with that, that's not it, guys. You're also getting 4 months of Adobe Creative Cloud photography access as well. Wait, I'm not done. You are also getting 3 years of data recovery service absolutely free once you purchase this product. And the company is also providing you 2 years of brand warranty. All these features that you're getting, guys, at a price of 6,200 rupees only. Isn't it a good deal, guys? I think there's no competition in the market with this one. This is way ahead than the other brands which are there. So this comes in 1 TB variant, 2 TB, 5, 10. So I will share the link of this in the description, the hard disk 2 TB variant. I've got it from Amazon. You can purchase it from Amazon, Flipkart or Chroma. You'll find all the links in the description. Also, guys, this is an HDD hard disk, not an SSD. So what is the difference between HDD and SSD hard disk? I have attached the link in the description. Please go check it out. It's actually quite light. I like the weight of it. It almost weighs like a Kindle, or maybe a bit more lighter than a Kindle as well. So now guys, if you ask me, is this a product that you should go for? I would say close your eyes blindly, yes, you go for. If this is product, people who have a budget of over 6,000 rupees, you can go for this one. If not, go for the Western Digital 1.5 TV. That's a better value for money product. Even though there are some less features, but it's completely storage wise, that's better. Now if your budget is higher than 6,000 rupees, this is the best product in the market guys. 2 TB hard disk from Seagate. Close your eyes, just go for it. With the loaded features, the freebies that you're getting, this is a best in the class guys. There's no competition to this product. Now guys, if you're getting hold of a hard disk, let me tell you, it is very important to take care of it, or else if it falls, there might be data loss, the hard disk might not work properly, and you have to pay a hefty amount if it's post 3 years for retrieving the data. So what I've done is that guys, let me show you something. So like I've also got a hard disk case from the brand of Chicks Essentials, you can see over here. So this costed me 200 rupees. I won't say the product is quality is bad, it's okay-ish, it's good. Air cases are a bit more thicker than this, but yes, those cost 300 rupees and this costed me only 200 rupees. So I'll share the link in the description guys of both the products, you can check them out. So this is how they fit and looks like guys. It fits well, it's not a bad product at all. Yeah, so yeah, with that we come to the end of today's video guys. So I hope you have enjoyed the video today. Please hit the like button guys, subscribe to our channel Let's Review with Krish, share the video with your friends and family members, and most importantly, if there's any query that you have, any suggestion that you have for us, please comment below so that we can get back to you and improve. Thanks for watching our videos today guys.